Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexpeacearmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpeacearmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the forexpeacearmy.com. Today the 8th of August, and we will continue to discuss the situation on the euro currency. Well, before the start of the discussion of the daily time frame and intraday charts, I strongly recommend you to visit our forum on the forexpeacearmy.com, since the daily analysis and intraday charts are just the puzzle of the big picture that is forming on the monthly and weekly time frames, and that could lead to the significant change of the situation in the medium-term future on the euro currency due to some exceptional important events on the fundamental events in the markets, the decreasing the credit rating of the United States just one grade, and with a negative forecast by the S&P agency. So this could lead to the further decreasing of the rating, and that could change drastically situation on the financial markets. From the other side, on the Euro Union, you see some problems with the buyout of the problem debt on Greece, and potentially Spain and Italy could go by step of the Greece. And now Bundesbank tells that it would not to make the buyout of this problem countries. But this is the daily time frame, daily video research, and we try to create the trading plan for the coming week. Finally, on the daily time frame, we see some clearing of the current situation, and particularly what we have. As you remember, initially we have discussed this pattern: A, B, C bottom. Market has hit 100% extension target and trends to the retracement, and we said that this level 148 is the 618 ultimate 618 support from the whole swing up will be the crucial level for the continuation of the upside move. If market will break it and take out the C point, then probably this will be the major bearish reversal on the market, and market could show some acceleration to the downside. Still, as we noted in our weekly research and weekly thread on the forum, we said that monthly and weekly time frames are bullish, and currently we have to watch for potential buy signals and buy reversals, bullish reversals on the market. So probably market has shown us this event that we have been waiting for the long time. We can see that market shows the huge piercing in the cloud pattern right from the 618 support on the daily time frame. This is really strong move to the upside, and probably this is the beginning of the further acceleration to the upside. This event and this pattern gives us at least two advantages. First of all, we could trade particularly this pattern on the long side of the market, and second is that we have the possibility to place very tight stop, because just below this level, if market below the low of this pattern, if market will take it and close below this low 140.41, take out the C point, this will be a very bearish event. In that case, we could probably wait for the further acceleration to the downside, but currently it looks like bullish and in a row with the monthly and weekly situation and sentiment on the market. Personally, I still think that probably market will show some acceleration to the upside, and this could be the break-even point on the daily time frame. First of all, we see that extended target that we're waiting to market to reach it, 1618 extension 147.08 from that pattern, A, B, C bottom. And also now we have the greater ABCD pattern with the target 147.44. You can see that these targets stand very close to each other, but both of them are beyond of the daily level of overbought. You can see that this is blue line, it's level of daily overbought. This is Jed Napoli oscillator predictor. It shows the level of overbought. 145.37 for a Monday. So still I think that on the common week the nearest target will be right here. This is the 618 extension from that ABC pattern. Okay. And weekly pivot resistance 144.44, 144.75. That's an area that we should focus on as a potential target to the upside. And I think that probably, I suggest that personally I feel that market now has more bullish charge than bearish. Okay, I think that probably market should accelerate to the upside in EURUSD term. And this particular appearance of that pattern precisely at the 618 support makes me think so. On the 4-hour time frame, we see that market has accomplished two different targets. First, this is 127 extension from that pattern, A, B, C top, hitting 100% retracement, hitting 127, and recent ABCD, A, B, C top, D point. So two different targets stands very tight to each other. Market has hit it and turns to the upside move. You can see that 4-hour trend has turned bullish. Now we see that market has hit first fib resistance 142.86 and just above it stands another deeper 618 resistance from the whole swing down 143.33. Personally, I think that market still shows some acceleration and continuation to the upside further in the beginning of the week. Probably it will hit 143.33 area before it will turn to some retracement to the downside. Also, if you'll draw this trend line, okay, you can see that market hasn't reached yet and doesn't show any breakout of this line. I do not have this chart to keep chart as clear as possible, but if you draw it, you will see that market hasn't reached it still. Well, what we could expect in the beginning of the week from the current situation? Well, personally, I think that it could turn to the head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders buy pattern. So we can see that this is left shoulder, head, if market will accelerate a bit further, and then could turn to the forming of the right shoulder. Since this is the potential reversal, and if it will really turn so, then I think that market, as usually, market shows deep retracements. And let's shift to the hourly time frame. You see that with more details. So first of all, you see that from this low to that high, head stands right at 127 extension. Okay. So if we'll count this potentially ABCD pattern, for instance, A, B, C, you will see that 1618 extension stands a bit higher, precisely at an area of the 618 resistance on the 4-hour time frame, somewhere 143.30 here, somewhere right here. So I think that on Monday we could see some acceleration further to the upside, probably to the 143.20, 143.30 area before the retracement will start to the downside. If you are a scalp trader, you could try to short this potential retracement, because this retracement, I suppose, will be deep. That is in a row with the forming of the head and shoulders pattern, and I think that this retracement will be somewhere to the 141.35, 141.50 area, because this is the support of the left shoulder and this is the 618 support from the whole swing to the upside. This could be the target of the potential retracement. The one of the potential patterns that could trigger this retracement could be the double repo sale pattern, because this thrust to the upside is not very perfect, but this thrust is suitable for the forming of the double repo sale. By the way, if you all see this pattern, look at this area. I do not have the 3x3 moving average here, but we have discussed this on Friday. The pattern that has triggered this move to the upside was also double repo buy. So it's almost perfect double repo buy pattern. It has led to this solid retracement to the upside. So our trading plan is follows. If you're a scalp trader, watch for the clear reversal pattern that there. This could be the butterfly sale, for instance, on the 5-minute chart. This could be double repo on hourly time frame. And you could try to enter short with the target around 140-150 area. This could be the forming of the right shoulder of this potential pattern. If you're a daily trader, wait for the visible pattern will be formed on the market. Wait for the forming of the right shoulder of this pattern and appearance of the buy patterns in that area. This will be the area to focus on for the day traders. market will form this right shoulder and show some particular buy patterns around the right shoulder, then probably this is our signal to enter on the long side of the market. Also, for the positional traders, I want to tell that probably it's time to try to enter long with the 140-150 from this area, with the stops just below 140, and with some significant weekly and monthly targets that we have discussed on our forum on the forexpeacearmy.com. And I just want to show you the last picture, the last caution for you. This is really a nice picture. And this is the daily time frame. Okay, and you can see that the reversal head and shoulders patterns almost has been formed on the daily time frame. Also keep in mind, take a look at the trading volumes. Since I use futures, then the futures trading volumes shows the real picture of the market. Although the trading volumes on the futures are much lower than the spot market, it's just the mirror of the real market. Okay, so you can see that this is the huge buyings of euro currency during the Friday trading session. It's right here. Also you see the great volumes during the reversal on the head, so this is very significant information. Also, just remember how this pattern was formed. This was the wash and rinse of these lows. Markets show strong returns back. Also take a look that the head stands the 127 extension of the left shoulder and precisely at the same level the right shoulder, 127 extension. The time that has been spent on the forming of left and right shoulders are almost equal, so this is nice pattern, and I just want to caution you that there is some scenario exists that probably market even could show no retracement in that area in our lower head and shoulders pattern that is forming on the hourly time frame. It could accelerate further, but I still think that this retracement should happen, because this is some kind also reversal in the wedge of the right shoulder, and very often market shows the retracement, something like that. You can see that it's reversal in the wedge of the head, retracement. So this could be something like that I expect. If it will not happen, then we adjust our trading plan on the Tuesday in the current week, depending on how the current situation will develop on. The target of this pattern, ultimate target of the head and shoulders, is, you know, the 1618 extension of head and the right shoulder, A, B, C bottom, 1618 target. It coincides with the weekly target. The target on the weekly time frame of the potential bullish wedge that is forming currently on the weekly time frame. So that's very exciting situation now on the euro currency, and particular current price action could lead us to the major reversal in the medium term time frame to the upside. The pressure of our current situation is that the crucial level for this scenario stands very close to current market, and this level is 140. If market will accelerate further to the downside, this will give us the clear clue that market will continue move to the downside and probably take out this A point. And as I said, this the close position of this crucial level to us gives us very big advantage that we could place stop very tight and catch further big move if it will happen. If not, we will not lose much. So keep an eye on the current situation on the euro currency, because this is very significant, very important situation. Could lead us to the huge and nice position in the medium term perspective. Well, and keep an eye on our updates on the weekly thread on the forexpeacearmy.com.